Today I am at the Busako Palace. On the way to the palace I discovered this viewpoint, so let's start this tutorial here with an orbit around the cross to capture this amazing view. For this I'm going to move left and up while rotating right and tilting the gimbal down. Let's do another orbit around the cross, but this time by moving left, back and up, while rotating right and tilting the camera down. The palace we are going to film is just a couple of meters down this hill, so we will start by filming a top-down view of the palace while we descend the drone. Next, we are going to fly close to the palace to capture some detailed shots. For this, we are going to move left and up while rotating right and tilting the camera up. Okay, now let's film the top of the palace by revealing it slowly from the bottom. For this we move in front and up while tilting the camera down. Okay, for our next shot we are going to capture some images of the back of the palace. The idea is to capture a perspective where the viewer can appreciate the dimensions of the building. And the best way to obtain that is by moving left, rotating right and tilting the camera down and then up again. Let's move just a little bit higher. And now move left, rotate right and tilt the camera down and then up again. Let's continue the flow and transition now into an orbit by just moving left and rotating right. The best tip I can give you when it comes to orbits is to hold the movement as long as you can. Don't be afraid to correct the framing of the drone while you are orbiting, but you must keep the motion of the orbit while doing that. If you do that, you will be surprised with the images you end up getting. Let me frame this shot to show you what I mean. Now let's get a little bit closer to the sphere on the top of the palace and do an orbit around it by just moving left and rotating right. Let's get a little bit closer and a little bit higher. And now move left and rotate right. Next, let's get another top-down view of the palace. But this time we are going to move in front and right while moving up. And for our final shot, we are going to orbit around the palace and transition into a reveal shot. For this, we are going to move left and forward while rotating right and tilting the camera up.
Let's now see an edited version of what we recorded today.